Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am making boiled plantain and fish sauce. This is quick, easy to make, and so delicious. Let's get started right now. The first thing I did was cut, clean, and boil the plantain. You can cut the plantain around this size or bigger. I also added a little bit of salt. Next, I am preparing the fish. Feel free to use any kind of fish. You can also use leftover fish. I added some seasoning. I'm also gonna add a little bit of oil before placing them on a sheet pan and baking them in the oven. I am adding the onions, garlic, and peppers. I am also adding some seasoning. I will let this cook for 5 minutes. I am adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. It's frozen, that's why it looks like that. I will mix this well before adding the cherry tomatoes. I will let this cook till the onions and peppers are soft and most of the liquid has been evaporated. The fish is ready. I will break the fish apart before adding it to the sauce. After adding the fish and mixing well, I will let this cook for a few minutes. You can mash the cherry tomatoes or leave them whole. You can have this for breakfast, dinner, or lunch. You get the sweetness from the plantain and all the other flavors from the sauce. This is the perfect combo. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.